I'm Margaret from Twisted Fairy Art. I'm an artist, a nature lover, and an earth witch. Nature lover and an earth witch intertwine in their meaning. I feel at home when I'm surrounded by trees. I get lost staring at the sky, and my breath is taken away when I'm blanketed by a night sky filled with stars. Nature inspires my art, whether I'm painting a modernized lion or creating a crystal necklace. I feel happy, and that feeling stays with me for a while. Nature is all around me, struggling, dreaming, and thriving. I live in the suburbs, the slower paced limb of the city. It's still too fast for me, so I plant my bare feet on the little bit of grass mixed with clover and dandelion, the hated enemy of the suburban lifestyle, and I connect and fill myself with Mother Earth's simple beauty. What can I say about coffee? I love it. I belong to the group that enjoys a perfect cup of coffee for personal pleasure. But I also belong to the other group that is a little bit addicted to this popular beverage. I had the best cappuccino in Rome in a little coffee shop right across from the Colosseum. And I also consume an entire cup of a very bad, watered down beverage from a fast food joint just around the corner from me. So I guess I'm not too picky when it comes to coffee, though the coffee I make tastes pretty good.